Hello friends, in today's topic we will discuss about views and can we update the view. This is one of the frequently asked interview question. So before answering that, let's try to understand what are the types of views. There are two types. The one is simple view and the other one is complex view. The simple view is created based on one single base table, and whereas the complex view contains more than one base table which will have joins and set operators like union all. And in simple view we cannot use group by functions like max, count, min, aggregate or analytical function. We cannot use any of the grouping functions, but in complex view, yes, we can create the group by functions. And in simple view we can perform the DML operations like insert, delete, update directly on the view, but in complex view we cannot apply the DML operations. Now let's see how it works practically. So to demonstrate this, we have a table called student which has ID, name, class and comments. So we are creating a view for the student table with student underscore v as a view name. The view is created. Now let's try to update the comments from good to very good for the student ID 1. So one row got updated, so let's commit it. So we can see the changes in the view. The view is updated. Let's see the base table. So even the base table got updated with the latest comment as very good. So this is called updatable view. When the view is created based on a single table, it's updatable. Now the second one is, even though if it is a simple table, we have one more option. For some security reasons, we will be not able to update the view. When we create the view with read only option, it will be in read only view. We cannot update it. So now let's see how it works. So I'm creating a view with the view name as non-update. The view is created and let's see the records. The records are available here. Now let's try to update the view with read only option. You can see the error message. Cannot perform the DML operation on read only view because the view is created with the read only option. Now let's see what are complex views. So here we have when the view contains more than one base table, and also when we have group by functions. These are called complex views. So now we have one more view, but here the view SQL statement contains group by, and we have aggregate function called count. So we are creating view with aggregate functions and group by. So the view is created, student group by. So now when we try to update the records, it will throw an error message. Data manipulation operation not legal on this view because it contains group by and count operation. Now let's see one more example where we are creating a view based on two tables. So we have student table and student marks. In student table we had ID, name and their class and comments. In student marks we have the percentage. So now we are creating a view based on these two tables by using inner join. So now let's try to update the comments. You can see that it's throwing an error. Cannot modify a column which maps to a non-preserved key. and insert to update of a column view, join view. So it's not updatable because it contains more than one table. Yes, coming to this question, can we update the view? Yes, if it is a simple one, it's updatable. And if it is complex view, not updatable. And again, simple view, if it is with read-only option, we cannot update it. Now answering the main question, can we update the view? Yes, but not always. It depends upon the condition and the view type. Yeah, thank you friends.